Dear students, today in this class we have to learn about atomic structure, some basic concepts. So the basic concepts in atomic structure are very useful. Very useful to lower section to higher section classes. That is a sixth, seventh to from higher sections or plus one, plus two or anything. So the first concept is atom. Atom. What is an atom? A small particle which is not divisible or divisible is known as an atom. So what is an atom? A small particle which is not divisible is known as an atom. So next point is an atom is represented by symbols. So example is 1 hydrogen, symbol is H. Second one is oxygen, symbol is O. Third one is sodium, the symbol is Na, but sodium Latin name is natrium. In natrium first two letters is Na, so etc. So these are the atoms. So what is atom? A small particle which is not divisible is known as an atom. An atom is represented by symbols. So example hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, etc. So let me know about molecule. So what is molecule? When two or more atoms combine, when two or more atoms combine, the product is known as a molecule. So this is molecule. When two or more atoms combine, the product is known as a molecule. So the molecules are represented by formulae. So atoms are represented by symbols, molecules are represented by formulae. Example is, for example, 1 hydrogen, H2, minimum 2 atoms. Second one is water, so H2O. Third one is ammonia, NH3, etc. So these are the examples of the molecules. So in hydrogen 2 atoms, water 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom, ammonia 1 nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atoms. So total 4 atoms. So another example, fourth one is, for example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. So in sulfuric acid, how many atoms? So that means 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen atom. Total is 7 atoms. So what is molecule? Minimum two or more atoms combined. It is known as molecules. Example: hydrogen, water, ammonia, sulfuric acid, etc. So let me explain about. Next thing is next type of molecules. Type of molecules. So molecules are classified as two types: elements, compounds. So molecules are classified as two types. First one is element, second one is compound. So type of molecules. Molecules are mainly classified as two types. First one is element, second one is compound. So what is element? So when same type of atoms combined, the product is known as element. So example is H2 hydrogen, N2 nitrogen, O3 ozone, F2 fluorine, etc. Here same type of atoms are combined. So what is compound? When different type of atoms combine, the product is known as compound. So here example is H2O water, ammonia NH3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, HCl hydrochloric acid, etc. These are the compounds. So molecules are mainly classified two types: element, compound. So what is element? When same type of atoms combine, that is known as element. H2 hydrogen, N2 nitrogen, O3 ozone, F2 fluorine, etc. What is compound? When different type of atoms combine, it is known as compound. Example H2O water, NH3 ammonia, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, HCl hydrochloric acid, etc. So already we know that atom is not divisible. So till that means till 1808 year, all scientists thought that atom is not divisible. So till 1808, all scientists proposed or thought atom is not divisible. But in 1809, John Dalton proposed that atom is divisible. But in 1808, John Dalton proposed that atom is divisible, and John Dalton proposed the first atomic theory, that is John atomic model. So John Dalton proposed that atom is divisible. So when John Dalton proposed that atom is divisible, then Then many scientists viewed their experiments on atom. Then many scientists viewed their experiments on atom. So when John Dalton said that atom is divisible, so many scientists, that is to simply say, all scientists exposed their experiments on atom, and finally they discovered that an atom has three fundamental particles. They are, the first one is electron, second one is proton, third one is neutron. So now we have explained about the important fundamental particles in atom and their details. Earlier we said that an atom has three important fundamental particles. They are electron, proton, neutron. So the first one is serial number, name of the particle. Next one is scientist or discoverer. Next, symbol. Next one is charge. Last one is mass. So first one is serial number. The first one is serial number 1, electron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. So symbol is A minus. So charge is 1 unit negative charge, or in coulombs minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So mass. So the mass of the electron is 1 by 1836 part of mass of H atom, hydrogen atom, or in values 9.1094 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. So the mass of electron is discovered as 9.1094 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So it is very low value, so it is negligible. Second one is proton. So proton was firstly proposed in atom by Rutherford, finally discovered by Goldstein. So Rutherford or Goldstein. Symbol is P. So charge 1 unit proton charge, 1 unit positive or plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So here the negative charge of the electron is equal to the positive charge of the proton. 1 unit negative charge, 1 unit positive charge. So mass is 1.67. So mass of the proton is 1.6794 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. So in the simple way, next the third one is neutron. So neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. So symbol is N. So proton symbol is P, neutron symbol is N. So charge is 0. So charge mass of neutron is 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kgs. This is 1.67 into 6. So these are the fundamental particles of the atom. So first one, serial number 1. Name of the particle. First one is electron. Scientist discovered by J.J. Thomson. Symbol is E minus. Charge is 1 unit negative charge or minus represent negative charge. Negative charge of 1.602 into minus 19 coulombs. So mass 1 by 1836 part of mass of hydrogen in units 9.1094 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. So it is negligible. So we know that proton, second one, Rutherford or Goldstein. So symbol is P, 1 unit positive charge or in units plus, that means positive charge of 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So the mass of proton is 1.6726 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. So third one is neutron. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Symbol is N. And charge is 0, mass is 1.6749 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. So these are the very important basic concepts to for any competitive or any exams. So the charge of the electron is equal, the negative charge of the electron is equal the positive charge of the proton, and neutron has any charge. Neutron has no any charge, so it is a neutron.